windy right now. It feels like it's in the high 70s, but some winds. So I hanker down the Van Week, also the Lone Peak. Put the string inside the camper, so we'll go on top of the roof. But, such a beautiful day. I showered already. Ooh, feels good. I'm just waiting for our friends to come back from the hike so I can start cooking for them. Make some shrimp tacos and some carne asada tacos. But it's windy. You can see it rocking. Yeah, if you don't tie down your bat wing, I think it's gonna snap. But winds are pretty good right now.